Hey everyone, welcome to a new video in Adobe Illustrator. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make a clipping mask. And to use the clipping mask, I already have an illustration here. For the clipping mask, you can use whatever shape you guys want. It can be a triangle, a square. For this video, I'm going to use a circle, but it can be any shape you guys want. And in order for the clipping mask to work, your illustration has to be already grouped. So if you haven't done that, select all of your elements in your illustration and just head over to where it says object. I already grouped mine, but for your illustration, it should the group parts should not be grayed out, so you should be able to click that button. Okay, once you have group your illustration, make sure that your the shape that you're using as your clipping mask is on top of your illustration. So if I drag this to the illustration, it should be on top, otherwise it's not going to work. It can be on top either on another layer, but the layer should be above your illustration, or if it's behind your illustration, you can select your shape, then just go to object, and where it says arrange, just choose to bring it to the front. Okay, now that you have done that, select both your illustrations and the shape that's going to be your clipping mask, and then go to object and choose clipping mask, and then just choose make. And this is pretty much it. If this is all you guys need, this is how you guys make an illustration. This is how you guys make a clipping mask. It basically just hides everything that's outside the shape that you guys choose. I'm gonna make some changes just because I don't want the illustration to cut off parts of what is supposed to be mountains. So I'm gonna make a copy of this, and if you guys would like to have your illustration parts of your illustration to stick out of the shape that you guys chose as your clipping mask, then what I'm gonna do, I already made a copy of this one. I'm gonna make another copy. So if I go to object, not object, edit, copy, and then edit, and then paste it in the front. So there's another copy in the front, and I'm gonna edit the circle that represents the clipping mask. I'm gonna edit the anchor point using the direct selection tool and just lift it a little bit. And I want the top of the background to have that rounded top. So since this is a copy, I'm gonna get rid of the yellow background, and I believe if you notice, this part is not round, so I'm gonna get rid of that part too. I'm only getting rid of parts that I already have as copy in the background. I think this looks way better. So if you want to take it a step further, this is what you can do. It's basically two copies, but you are editing the one on top just to get that effect. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do like the video, please share, subscribe to the channel. This is actually my third video in English. Most of my past videos are in Spanish, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time with a brand new video in Adobe Illustrator. See ya.